Now, let us consider few examples in which you will see the characteristic and the mantissa part of the numbers. Okay, so I'm writing here the numbers. Then you will find the characteristic for these numbers. Then the mantissa part by using the log table. And once you know this characteristic and mantissa part, then you can find the log of that number. Okay, log of any number, it is equal to the sum of the characteristic and mantissa part. So we are going to see the different examples. Okay, now starting with the first example, we'll consider a simple example which we have taken already, that is 5, 3, 2, 1. Okay, then the second example we'll take, that is only 2. Then third one, 0.7. Fourth one, 0.00089. The fifth one, that is 7131732. These are the 5 examples we have taken here, and we are going to find out the log of this number by finding the characteristic and the mantissa part. पहले एग्जाम्पल से शुरुआत करते हैं. पहले एग्जाम्पल में देयर आर 4 डिजिट्स आर देयर. तो पहले 4 डिजिट को 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं. पहले 2 डिजिट्स एक साथ, फिर थर्ड और फिर फोर्थ वन. ओके, उसके पहले कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फाइंड करना है. कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फॉर द नंबर विच इज ग्रेटर देन 1 एंड लेस देन 1. वी हैव सीन दिस पॉइंट. तो दिस नंबर इज ग्रेटर देन 1. कितने डिजिट है उसके अंदर वो काउंट करते हैं. 1 2 3 4. नंबर ऑफ डिजिट माइनस 1, दैट इज 4 minus 1. Characteristic is 3. We got the characteristic. Now the mantissa part of this number. To find the mantissa part, we have divided that number into 3 parts. First 2 digits, third one and fourth one. So with the help of the log table, we are going to find out the mantissa part. Okay, now 53 under 2 in the middle column and under 1 in the mean difference column. And this mean difference that you will add in that number which we got below this 2. Okay, now 53 पहले कॉलम में, लॉग टेबल के पहले कॉलम में 53 ढूंढना है. ओके, जैसे कि पहले एग्जांपल देखा था. सो फर्स्ट कॉलम 10 से स्टार्ट होता है, उसके अंदर 53. ओके, यहाँ पे 53. ओके, और मिडल में ओके दिस इज 2. तो बिलो दिस 2, in the row of 53, below this 2, 7259 is there, and under 1 in the mean difference. Okay, 1 के नीचे देखना यहाँ पे. Okay, this digit in the row of 53 के लाइन में 1 के नीचे यहाँ पे 1 है. Okay, तो this 1 यहाँ पे ऐड करना है. किसके अंदर? 7259 plus 1, that we got how much? 7260. So that I am writing here 7260. Already we have seen this example. Now 7260, this is fraction part. So always write that in fraction, 0.7260. Now what is log? Log, it is the sum of characteristic plus mantissa. Log of any number is the characteristic plus mantissa. So we got here characteristic is 3. Mantissa we got 0.7260. Add these two so that you will get the log of that number. So the log of 5321 is 3.7260. In this way we got the log of this number by adding characteristic and mantissa. Now we will go to the next example, that is 2. Okay, now see, in this example there is only 1 digit is there. What is the characteristic then? Number of digit minus 1. 1 minus 1, that is characteristic is 0. Okay, now mantissa part. To find the mantissa part, we need the 4 digit. Not more than 4, not less than 4. We need the 4 digits here. So here 2 is there. 2 can be written as 2 can be written as 2.000. Okay, so we are dividing this 4 digits into 3 parts. First 2 digits, third one, and fourth one. Now 20 in the first, irrespective of decimal point कहाँ पे है वो देखना नहीं है. कभी मैंटिसा पार्ट फाइंड करते समय डेसिमल की जरूरत नहीं है. ओनली वाइल फाइंडिंग द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फाइंड करते समय डेसिमल पॉइंट की बहुत जरूरत है. कहाँ पे डेसिमल पॉइंट है वो इंपॉर्टेंट है. लेकिन मैंटिसा पार्ट फाइंड करते समय डेसिमल पॉइंट की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. ओके, यू फॉरगेट टोटल द डेसिमल पॉइंट वेयर इट इज. नाउ फर्स्ट 2 digits, okay, read it as 20, first 2 digits together. Then this in the middle column under 0, and there is no 0 in the main difference. So 20 under 0. Okay, so we'll see this Mantissa part in the log table.